And developing tonight, hundreds of people staying at the Residence Inn in downtown Atlanta had to be evacuated this morning because of a carbon monoxide leak. 11 Live's Erica Murphy joining us live from Peachtree Street. Erica, scary situation for the people in this hotel. Was anyone hurt?
So we know that 5 people were taken to the hospital to be treated. We know that 3 of those people were adults and 2 of those people were children. We don't know the condition of any of those people at this point, but what we do know is that this hotel is still closed.
We didn't smell anything, experience anything. We didn't wake up drowsy at all. So I don't know what floor they were on, but where we were, I don't think that was an issue.
Jim Hogue and his buddies were staying at the Residence Inn for the Peach Bowl this week. They weren't physically impacted by the emergency, but did have to evacuate. Luckily, the Candler Hotel across the street welcomed them.
By the time we got down, there were maybe 7, 8 trucks. And so the general manager for this hotel said, hey, come on over.
Fire officials say the call of the gas leak came in around 8:30 this morning after a parent wasn't able to wake their sleeping child. 80 fire department personnel were deployed to evacuate 100 occupied rooms and find the source of the problem.
We got the gas shut off to the building, and once we go in and confirm that we're back to normal readings within the building, then we'll turn it back over.
By about 12:30, all the fire trucks were gone, but the hotel remained closed. One customer says this afternoon someone from the Residence Inn called to let him know he could come get his things and the hotel would pay for other accommodations. Now, we did check in with fire officials to find out the condition of the people who were rushed to the hospital. There's been no update yet. We also did see on social media that the Atlanta Fire and Rescue did say that the carbon monoxide levels here at the hotel are acceptable. Reporting from downtown Atlanta, Erica Murphy, 11 Alive News.